Customer gave us a call, their septic tank is backing up. Lifted up this bucket and found the sewer cleanout spilling out raw sewage. I had a feeling the lid to the septic tank would be underneath this bucket, and it turns out that the bucket was actually the lid to the septic tank. I'm gonna pump it down and see what we're working with. There was a floating Dr. Pepper can that I didn't notice, and it ended up getting caught in my hose. I had to take the hoses apart and finally got it out, and it turns out it was still full. Who wants a sip? Tastes like money. Pour one out for the homies and get back to work. And there's another soda can in there. I'm going to try and get this one out with a shovel before it gets caught in my hose like the other one. Now that the cans are out of the way, I brought in the crust buster to mix up a poop smoothie. Smells like money. Getting towards the bottom of the tank, you can see all this water pouring in. That's telling me there's another tank. Thankfully, the homeowner was doing some work around his property, so he brought in the skid steer to clear off the lid for me. Hopefully pumping out the system solves the problem. If not, they're going to need a whole new system.